Real Madrid is the most honored football club in the world. It has a tremendous history of 102 years, having earned the largest number of European Cups. There are more than 500 million people in the world who's being a fan of football. Their first team is Real Madrid.
The IT infrastructure here in Real Madrid is really a balance. We have more than 70 information systems to cover all our activity. 3 years ago, we decided to adopt the Microsoft technology. We need a very robust environment, and Microsoft is very robust. But also we need a platform that gives us the flexibility of follow the business and all the changes that the business is requiring. And Microsoft covers this for us, to take the information wherever it is and put just in time to the person that really needs that data. Microsoft Asapta fits perfectly in two different ways. First of all, size of the company. We are managing more or less 300 million euros. Asapta fits perfectly in that size of company. It's a very dynamic tool that provides us the capability of grow. When we decided to go into an ERP solution, maybe the most important change that we made is starting from 15 different isolated systems that provide the same information to one big repository of information that guaranteed that the integrity of that information is going to be perfect. Microsoft Asapta gives us business core and software core. We can grow with the tool, and also we can adapt and integrate with the information system that we want. There are no limits to our imagination in terms of adaptability or integration. SharePoint is our portal. We are now giving to all our customers the possibility of accessing all the information without going to any special system. You are general manager, maybe you are only going to use SharePoint with the portal and with a very high view of the information. If you are working just in the financial department, you are going to use Asapta with all the capabilities and all the features that Asapta has for you. In the past, they have to spend maybe 1 hour to locate a data. Now, due to we have only one repository of information is there, and they only have to click and obtain the data. Microsoft Asapta right now is giving me the opportunity of having a very good repository of information, and that the information that we are extracting from Asapta is the correct information and is the right information for us. Microsoft can touch all the different aspects of our business, but there is only one thing in which Microsoft is impossible that can help us is, of course, playing football. That's the only thing.